What is food? Scientifically, food is a substance that provides nutrients which energizes the body and maintain and promote life. So, if that is the case, then oxygen is our number one source of food. It's the only food source that you cannot fast from. Even while you're sleeping, you're still ingesting oxygen. The second biggest food source is water. You cannot live without water. And the third biggest food source is the sun. Today we associate food mostly with veggies, fruits, and grains and so on and so on. Now, since food is supposed to provide nutrients and energy, if after eating you're not energized, is that food that you're eating? Do you feel sluggish and tired after eating? Or are you energetic, ready to go get it? The question is, what are you really eating, my friend?